All right, so if you're looking to get into year-round gardening or just want to protect your plants from harsh weather, you're probably wondering which walk-in greenhouse is actually worth buying. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 walk-in greenhouse kits available on Amazon right now. And honestly, some of these surprised me. I've got links to all of them down in the description if you want to check pricing or read more reviews. Let's jump in. So first up, we've got the Palram Canopia Glory in the 8x12 size. And okay, this one's definitely the premium option here. It's actually been named the best splurge greenhouse by Better Homes and Gardens, which, yeah, that checks out. The construction on this thing is seriously solid. You're getting these 10mm thick twin-wall polycarbonate panels, not the flimsy plastic stuff, and they block UV rays without turning yellow or cracking over time. The frame is powder-coated aluminum with a galvanized steel base, so it's built to last. What I really like here is the automatic roof vent opener. Like, you don't have to remember to open it when it gets hot, it just does it for you. Plus, there's a side louver window for extra airflow. And get this, it has these closed gutters that collect rainwater for irrigation. Pretty smart design. Now, the door is over 31 inches wide with a threshold that's low enough for a wheelbarrow or even a wheelchair, which is a nice touch for accessibility. Pros: super durable materials that won't degrade, automatic ventilation system makes life easier, rain gutter system is genuinely useful, and it comes in multiple sizes, so you can scale up or down. Cons: it's expensive, not gonna lie, and assembly takes some time. You'll want a full day and maybe a helper for this one. Who's it for? If you're serious about gardening and want something that'll last 10+ years without maintenance headaches, this is it. Again, all the Amazon links are in the description below. All right, let's move on to the Kingbird Premium. And this one's massive, 20 feet long by 10 feet wide. If you need space, this is the one. The frame is heavy-duty galvanized steel, way thicker than most budget options, and it's got this reinforced structure with 3 top crossbars, diagonal poles, and these 2 extra supporting stiffeners they added. So it's built to handle snow loads and wind. Now, here's what sets it apart. The PE cover has UV Index 6 protection. Most cheaper greenhouses have like UVI 1 to 3, which means they only last a few months before the sun destroys them. This one, they're saying it lasts multiple years. That's a huge difference. You get 8 roll-up screen windows plus mesh doors on both ends for ventilation, and everything's got zippers and Velcro to seal it up tight in winter. Temperature control is solid. Oh, and Kingbird includes this King Care Plus service thing, which is basically a year of customer support if anything goes wrong. Not bad. Pros: huge growing space. That UV6 cover really does make a difference in longevity. Great ventilation setup with 8 windows, and the reinforced frame feels stable even in wind. Cons: it's a tunnel-style greenhouse, so no rigid walls like the Palram. And yeah, you'll need to anchor this thing down properly or it's gonna move around. This one's perfect if you've got a big garden or you're growing a lot of plants and want something affordable that still lasts. Now, let's see how the Quictent compares. Similar size, 20 by 10, but this one has a pretty cool feature: swing doors. So instead of roll-up doors, you get these patented dual swing door frames that open a full 180 degrees. They're lockable with chains, which is nice if you've got pets or kids who might wander in. Honestly, the swing doors just feel more convenient for daily use. You're not constantly zipping and unzipping stuff. The structure here is reinforced with 4 extra rib sets on top of the crossbars, which helps prevent sagging when snow piles up. And they use these heavy-duty spiral ground stakes instead of basic tent stakes. Way better grip. The cover's upgraded with Oxford cloth reinforcement at the seams, which is where most greenhouse covers tear first. Smart move. You still get 85% light transmission, which is plenty for most plants. Ventilation's good. 8 screen windows that you can seal completely with Velcro when it's cold. Pros: those swing doors are legitimately more convenient. Extra reinforcements make it sturdier in bad weather. Oxford cloth seam reinforcement prevents tearing, and Quictent offers lifetime replacement for accessories, plus a year warranty on poles and covers. Cons: bit pricier than a basic tunnel greenhouse, and some reviews mention assembly instructions could be clearer. So yeah, if you like the idea of big swing doors and want something a little more robust than standard tunnel greenhouses, this is a solid pick. All right, next is the Outsunny, and this is where we're getting into more budget-friendly territory while still keeping decent quality. The frame is galvanized steel, rust-resistant, corrosion-proof, and it's got 4 slant bracing tubes, plus a front crossbar and middle reinforced tubes. Not quite as beefy as the Kingbird, but still stable. You get 8 roll-up windows with mesh screening to keep bugs out while letting air flow through. The main door is a large zippered roll-up that you can attach to the top to keep it open. The PE cover is tough enough and lets sunlight through while protecting from UV damage. It attaches with tether balls and double-sided tape, which works fine but isn't the most elegant system. Where this really shines is the price to size ratio. You're getting 200 square feet of growing space without breaking the bank. Pros: great value for the size. Galvanized steel frame resists weather damage, 8 windows provide excellent airflow, and setup is pretty straightforward. Cons: the PE cover isn't as durable as the Kingbird's UV6 version. Expect to replace it in 1 to 2 years. Also, that tetherball attachment system feels a bit DIY. This one's perfect for someone who wants big greenhouse space on a budget and doesn't mind replacing the cover down the line. Last one is this compact Kingbird, and it's completely different from the others. This is basically a walk-in shelving unit with a greenhouse cover, 56 by 56 inches. But here's the thing, it's got 14 shelves, 12 on the sides plus 2 on the back. And these aren't weak shelves. They hold up to 46 pounds each compared to the standard 15-20 pounds you see on other models. That's a big difference if you're working with heavy pots and soil. The cover is 4.7 mil thick PVC with 6% anti-UV inhibitor, which again lasts way longer than the cheap 3 to 3.5 mil covers most compact greenhouses use. You get a screen roll-up door and mesh windows for climate control, and the whole thing sets up pretty quickly with those high hardness connectors. Pros: maximum shelf capacity with strong weight limits, thicker UV-resistant cover, great for small spaces like patios or balconies, and quick assembly. Cons: obviously way smaller than the tunnel greenhouses, and it's really more for seedlings and smaller potted plants, not full-grown vegetables. If you've got limited space but want to start a lot of seedlings or keep herbs and small plants protected, this is your best bet. If money's not an issue and you want the absolute best, go with the Palram Canopia Glory. It's built like a tank and you'll never replace it. For big gardens on a reasonable budget, the Kingbird Premium 20 by 10 gives you the most value with that super durable UV6 cover. Want convenience and sturdiness? The Quictent with swing doors is the move. Need size but keeping costs low? Outsunny 20 by 10 all day. And for small spaces or serious seed starting, that compact Kingbird with 14 shelves is unbeatable. So yeah, hopefully this helped you figure out which greenhouse fits your setup. All the Amazon links are down in the description if you want to grab one. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!